Chasseau Ores-Ka served as a member of the Fire Caste of the Fal'Shia Sept, commanding the forces of the Tau Empire within the Kurava system. His deviation from the Mont-Ka and Kayon in deference to his great strength, great strike tactics of his caste, inspiring some within his creed to consider adopting such techniques themselves. Fighting within the secret fortified moon base of Nan Yanoi, known as the Sword Moon, revolving Karava II, the protection of the Arca cannon allowed for swift deployments to the front lines of battle. Clad in a Mark XV-22 stealth suit fitted with missile pods, stealth fields, shield drones, fusion blaster, and ion blaster, Chasseau Ores-Ka sundered many foes in his campaign to colonize the Kurava system. His defeat at the hands of the Imperium, truly a great loss for the greater good.